Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 148. So this is a Vanguard error, and there's a simple fix for this. You simply go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens this, type in Vanguard, and you simply uninstall it. After you uninstall it fully, you go to Riot Client. Now once the Riot Client launches, go to Valorant. And it says here install Vanguard. And then you allow it to install it. And once it's done, it's preparing download. It should be quick. And now you have to restart your PC for it to work. But after you install the Vanguard, here's what you have to do for it to work properly this time. Close this, go to search, type in run, type in this services.msc, click OK. Press anywhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. As you can see, this is set to manual. You want to set it to automatic, apply, then start. And then OK, and you want to close this, go back to search, type in system configuration, go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll down till you find VGC. It says here running, and you want to make sure it's ticked here. If it's unticked, make sure to tick it. And now you simply restart your PC and the Valorant will work. And that's how you fix the Vanguard 148. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.